What's up guys, this is EIO back again with another video. So today we will check out the beautiful OPPO Reno 4 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's start from the unpacking part. The device comes packed with a 65-watt charger, a pair of wired earphones and a Type-C cable. The Reno 4 Pro is a mid-range smartphone which has a premium quality, mid-range performance and an expensive price tag too. The phone is not all about the processor as it comes with a mid-range Snapdragon 765G chipset and it starts with a price tag of around $500. However, the major highlight of this phone is its beautiful display and amazing cameras. The design of the phone is really beautiful with a curved display and a really attractive back. The texture of the back has a kind of a metallic matte finish which looks really beautiful. There's a giant Reno glow logo here at the back which has a reflective tone and it looks not that bad. Now coming to the display, the Reno 4 Pro has a beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone comes with a very sleek and slim design and it measures a thickness of only 7.6mm. It also has 180Hz touch sampling rate, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and HDR10+. So yes, the display specs are just what you expect from a premium flagship. Also, the curved display on the edges are making it more eye-catching. There is a punch hole camera on the device on the top left corner housing a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The display has an amazing vibrant touch which is remarkable. Another highlight of this phone is the fact that it has a whopping 4000 mAh battery with 65 watts Super VOOC fast charging. So yes, it can be full charged within 30 minutes only. It also has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos sound and it does provide an amazing sound quality. You are getting ColorOS here with Android 10 out of the package. Now coming to the cameras, the main aspect of this phone. The Reno 4 Pro comes with a primary 48-megapixel IMX586 camera and it also has OIS. The second sensor is a 12-megapixel IMX708 wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. And there's also a 13-megapixel telephoto shooter with 5x optical zoom and 20x digital zoom support. The device also comes with night view video mode that enables clear and colorful night videos. It also has anti-shake 3.0 for stabilized video recording. Here are some samples. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe our channel and help us to reach 100k subs soon. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling. So before ending this video, I would like to show you an amazing product by KIMAFUN. This is KIMAFUN Wireless Microphone Headset 2.4G, which is a high quality wireless microphone for making amazing YouTube videos. It comes with a receiver and a transmitter for connecting your smartphone with the microphone wirelessly. I am recording this video from this mic itself. For more info and in order to purchase this product, you can go through the link in the description.